In this video, we'll work through a complete hypothesis testing example using the 6-step process. Let's begin. Here's the problem. A school administrator believes that the average number of hours students study each week is more than 12 hours. A random sample of students is selected, and a hypothesis test is performed. The test produces a p-value of 0.018. At the 5% significance level, is there enough evidence to support the administrator's claim? What is the administrator's claim? They believe that the average number of hours students study each week is more than 12 hours. So we want to know if there's enough evidence to support this claim. Let's solve this one step at a time. Step 1. Identifying the null and alternative hypotheses. Look at the administrator's claim, the average number of hours. We're working with the average, which is the population mean. So we're going to use mu in this problem. So they believe that mu is more than 12 hours. So this phrase means mu is greater than 12. This is my alternative hypothesis because the alternative hypothesis does not contain the equality sign. And the null hypothesis always contains the equality. So mu equals 12. Notice that the null hypothesis always includes the equal sign. That's a good way to check that you have written your hypothesis correctly. Next, identifying the significance level, alpha. The problem says we're using 5% significance level, so alpha is 0.05. We'll compare the p-value to this number in the next step. Step 3, find the p-value. The problem already gave it to us. P-value is 0.018. Remember, in this section, we're assuming that the p-value has already been calculated. In future sections, you'll learn how to calculate it yourself. Step 4, compare the p-value with alpha. P-value is 0.018 and alpha is 0.05. Now ask yourself, is 0.018 less than 0.05? Yes. So p-value is less than alpha. Step 5, make the decision and justify your answer. Since p-value is less than alpha, we reject H0. Now, we write the conclusion using the problem's context. Before writing anything, ask yourself, what is the problem asking? The problem asks if there's enough evidence to support the average number of hours students study each week is more than 12 hours. So we want to know if there's enough evidence to support the claim that mu is greater than 12. The null hypothesis says the average number of hours students study each week is 12. My alternative hypothesis states the average number of hours students studies each week is greater than 12. So the original claim is my HA. Do I support this claim? Go back here. We reject H0. We have two statements, H0 and HA. We reject H0. That means we do not support this one. So we will support this. So yes, there is sufficient evidence to support the claim that the average number of hours students study each week is more than 12 hours. Notice that we didn't write there is sufficient evidence to support the original claim. Instead, we replaced the original claim with the actual claim from the problem. This makes the conclusion clear, complete, and specific to the situation.